Here at Sherpa, we set out to find the right balance of functionality and lightweight performance. We understand that not every adventure requires hauling heavy equipment or enduring extreme conditions. Introducing Sherpa Equipment Co.'s Sport Series. Our Sport Series racks maintain the same exceptional mounting design found in our Peak Series. If you're looking to carry your mountain bike, kayak, skis, cargo cases, and more, the Sport Series is tailor-made for you. We've strategically chosen lighter weight materials for the side rails, reduced the number of crossbars, which you can always add more if needed, and created a lower overall profile to maximize fuel economy and ensure hassle-free garage door clearance. With the Sport Series, you'll enjoy the convenience and quality Sherpa is known for, but in a package optimized for lighter weight and basic use case scenarios at a more accessible price. Hopefully that gives you some great information when comparing our Sport Series to our Peak Series. If you're struggling to figure out what's right for your vehicle, feel free to shoot us an email or give us a call. That information is going to be in the description below. You could also just comment on this video. If you're interested in more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.